In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to activate future trading in your Binance account. After you logged in to your Binance account, you go directly to Wallets. Then click on Overview. Then from Overview, you scroll down to US dollar M future and click on Activate. At this point, you will be given a different option to choose from: beginner, experience, or you can customize. So this or any option you choose will determine the lowest number of leverage that will be available for you. So I always prefer to go with experience. So at least I will be able to have 20x leverage. So let's go with experience. Then after that, click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, automatically your future accounts have been activated. Then you can go ahead and click on the future on the footer of the application. This is the complete overview of my future account, and here is where you can fund your future account. You can transfer funds from funding or spot wallets to your future. You can transfer funds forth and back. So you can actually move funds from your funding wallet or from your spot wallet directly to your future's account. So to actually fund your future wallet at this point, you should at least have some funds available in your spot wallet or your funding wallet. Assuming you have some funds available in your spot wallet, you can actually select the spot wallet at the top, then select future wallet at below, and enter the exact amount you want to transfer from your spot wallet to your future wallet. Assuming you have your fund available in your funding wallet, you can actually move the fund from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. So you can now come to when you are done moving fund from either funding wallet or spot wallet to your future wallet, it is time to start the quiz. There is a quiz that you're supposed to answer at least 14 questions to guarantee that you know exactly what you are doing before you move forward. So let's do that right now. It is worthy for you to know that if you fail to pass through this quiz level, Binance will never allow you to trade on future, because Binance will assume that you actually don't know what you are doing or that you are a beginner. So it is very crucial, very important that you pass through this quiz so that you can move forward and start your future trading career or future trading journey, as the case may be. In case you want to understand more, there is actually a video available here for this quiz, but we are not going to spend time watching a video because we want this video or this tutorial to be as short as possible. So we just go straight to the point and answer the questions in the quiz to get everything set up as fast as possible. But in your case, if you want to watch the video, please go ahead and do that. But we are going to answer all the quiz questions right now. Now we have 14 questions. The 14th question that Binance are asking and trying to get answers from you. So we are going to start from number 1 to the last number. So you follow along as we provide answers to each of the questions. So number 1 question is B. Number 1 question is B. Number 2 question is C. Number 3 question is B. Number 4 question is A. Number 5 question is C. Number 6 question is A. Number 7 question is B. Number 8 question is C. Number 9 question is B. Number 10 question is B. Number 11 question is C. Number 12 question is B. Number 13 question is agree. And finally, number 14 question is agree. So once you are done answering all these questions, then you click on submit. If you have gotten to this point, congratulations, you now have your future account fully activated and ready to start trading. So BR Robot can now start trading for you at this point after you connect your API key with BR Robot, of course.